If I want to mention the name of this player in video that moves with the movement of player, then I will use the Filmora Motion Tracking tool. Click on the background video in timeline. Now select the AI tab in the editing window on the right side panel. Scroll down and turn on the toggle button of motion tracking. Now bring the motion tracking box over the desired position you want to track, such as the head of the player. Adjust its size. Now click to start motion tracking button. It will analyze the motion tracking. Now add a text box and replace its text and text color. Click on the motion tracking layer on the right side panel. Under motion tracking, click on the arrow under link element. Now click and select the name of text element. You can look the name of the element inside timeline. Basic 1 in this case. Set the desired position of text. Now you can play back to check the required results. If you want to apply pan and zoom or any other animation to the video clip like this, then follow the next steps. Here I am quickly applying scale and position keyframes, but you can watch our other detailed video to learn Filmora keyframing. You can also zoom in and zoom out of a video clip by clicking crop tool and selecting pan and zoom option. So, clip will look like this after changes in zoom levels. Export the video clip and delete it in timeline after export. Now import the same clip again in Filmora. Now click the clip and select AI tools. Here turn on the motion tracking and click to start tracking. Adjust tracking position. Now add a text or image and link it under motion tracking. Play back and you can watch to see that motion tracking is following the zoom variations. Thanks for liking this video. Watch more Filmora tutorials.